Hello everyone, welcome back to Slush Code Universal Tutors. This is Common Entrance Maths Lesson 24. Last time we learned about profit, loss and discount. Today we are taking it one step further and learning how to calculate profit and loss percentage. Let's make it easy. First, let's remember our formula from last lesson. Profit is selling price minus cost price. Loss is cost price minus selling price. CP means cost price and SP means selling price. Now we introduce something new, profit percentage. To find profit percentage, we divide the profit by the cost price and multiply by 100. Don't worry, we'll walk through it step by step. Let's take our first example. The trader buys a bag for 10,000 naira and sells it for 12,000 naira. What is the profit percentage? Notice they did not say what is the profit. They said what is the profit percentage. So step 1, we find the profit. Selling price minus cost price, right? So 12,000 naira minus 10,000 naira gives us 2,000 naira as profit. So the profit is 2,000 naira. Step 2, now we use our profit percentage formula. Profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. So we have 2,000 naira, 2,000 divided by 10,000 multiplied by 100. So 2,000 divided by 10,000 is 0.2. Multiply 0.2 by 100 and we get 20. So our profit percentage is 20%. 20% profit, that's a lot of profits, right? Once you become comfortable with the formula, you can write the calculation directly. Profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Now follow closely. So 2,000 over 10,000 times 100. You see the 3 zeros from 10,000 cancels all the zeros with 2, that's on with 2,000. You see to cancel all the zeros. Then it's remaining 1 zero down there, right? So that zero cancels 1 zero with 100. So 100 becomes 10. It now becomes 2 over 1 at this side. So 2 over 1 is the same thing as 2. 2 times 10 gives you 20. And that's our answer, 20%. I hope you understand the explanation. Now, what about a loss? The formula is almost the same. Loss percentage equals to loss divided by cost price multiplied by 100. It's like that of profit. Let's try a loss example. A trader buys a phone for 20,000 naira but sells it for 16,000 naira. How much is the loss percentage? First, find the loss. 20,000 minus 16,000 equals 4,000. So the loss is 4,000 naira. Now divide the loss by CP, the cost price. 4,000 divided by 20,000 gives us 0.2. We multiply that by 100 and we get 20%. So the loss percentage is 20%. Or the way you do it, you do 4,000 divided by 20,000 times 100. So you cancel out the zeros, up, down, like that. You cancel them. So whatever is remaining, you have 2 up there times 10, and then you get your answer. This is very important. When calculating profit percentage or loss percentage, we use the cost price as the base, not the selling price. That's a common mistake in exams, so remember it. Now your turn. A trader buys a shoe for 5,000 naira and sells it for 6,000 naira. Can you find the profit percentage? Pause the video and work it out. First of all, the profit is 1,000 naira. Then 1,000 divided by 5,000 multiplied by 100 gives us 20%. So the answer is 20%. I know you understand how we got all that, right? Now let's finish with a challenge. A book was bought for 4,000 naira and sold for 3,000 naira. What is the loss percentage? Remember, we first find the loss. Then the loss is 1,000 naira divided by 4,000, which gives us 0.25. Multiply by 100 and we get 25%. So the loss percentage is 25%. So let's do a recap. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. You know what SP means? Selling price minus cost price. And loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by CP times 100. And loss percentage is equal to loss divide by CP times 100. Always use CP, that's cost price, as the base, right? Never forget that. You've done a great job following today's lesson to the end. You are doing really well. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, maths becomes easier when you understand the steps. This is Slush Code Universal Tutors, where we learn, practice, and excel. See you in lesson 25.